Kendall being an idiot.
So, how do you wrap quarters, Kendall?
You haven't told me. I don't know.
Wait,
Well, wait. Grab the pennies.
With the penny wrappers?
They're kind of the same color. Look. One's orange and one's red. They're kind of close.
Sean playing with Alexander.
You showed me.
I've been doing this for probably about a half hour.
And here's a bag of lamb. Lamb.
Let's go, Bob. Oh, I got it. I understand. Lambs also go nay. What?
Wait, tell everyone who you don't like.
Elderly midgets with polio. In wheelchairs. Oh god.
Oh god. This is at Tracy's house, by the way.
Do you full of Asian elderly midgets with
This is my hand full of tape.
Megan, I think you're done for the
Okay, bye.